Hey guys, not so cool. Today we are playing my blacksmith shop. So I already know how to play this game because my recording messed up. I'll put a little clip of the audio. Hey guys, not so cool. Today we're playing my little blacksmith shop. So what this game is about is you're a blacksmith and you have to name your shop and stuff like that. Wait, does it save? Does it autosave? Oh wow, it did autosave. Okay, that's nice. Yeah, I already did 2 people, but in the other time, I did a lot more people. Like, it was down to a lot, so. Day 1, right now I think we're on day 1. I don't know, though, but I'll just continue. So, right now, I have $17. Here are where you can order things. And then, this is like where you buy stuff. So, yeah, and then you can, like, use it to create stuff. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open my shop. Because I know you want to enter. Okay. I guess I'll just wait. I'll put some iron on the forge. So, this is where you also melt the iron so that you can shape it on the anvil. And it tells you how many ingots it requires to make it. Right here, you can read this if you want to. I'll just put my mouse out of the way. There you go. Give me a dagger now. Okay, so that person's pissed. Dagger takes 1 copper. So we'll put this copper back up on the shelf. Then we'll grab the 1-hand grip that it needs. I always left click to grab things. And then you click. There you go, and then you get the short blade. We'll move this out of the way. We'll put this like behind there. Put this up here. Grab this. Put this on it, and then it attaches. Now you bring this to the person, and then they say that was quick. Not all the time, actually. But they just take the dagger, and then you see I got $15 from that Mia person. There, now with my $32, I can go here, and I can buy back the amount of stuff that it costed me to buy that thing. So I can bring this box inside. Oh, someone's here. Make me a great hammer. Okay, I'll just open this box. Then 1-hand grip, go up there. Copper, we'll put this on the forge. Okay, so great hammer takes 3 copper. Hit that. It also takes, oh, I have it right here. But it's not attached. Okay, whatever. I'll just attach it then. Yeah, because I made one and then no one wanted it, so then they just left. Okay, I'll cool these off because I don't need to heat them up right now. So, oh, do they just stay hot forever? Or is this, like, I think this is just my bathtub. Crystal. Whoa. Now how do I research it? It says unknown. You to pick up that great hammer. Perfect. I've got 3 copper bars for you. For Margaret. It sometimes says donator because people on Kickstarter who backed this game were able, I'm pretty sure, to name people either after themselves or after whatever they want to name. Because I didn't back this up on Kickstarter. I just saw this on itch.io. Hello? Game? Please? Is this glitching it out for you? Is this better? Ooh, all the way over here. There you go. Bronze large hammer head. So now I need a 2 two-hand grip, and to be able to get on the thing, the hammer. There you go. And here you go. That's it. Okay. Whoa! Level up. P to view. Whoa. Okay. Strength +1. Agility. I want agility. Charisma. I think that's luck, I guess. I don't know. Points 1. Description. Decrease hits on anvil every 5 levels. Okay. I want more agility. And then P to unview. Here to pick up that pole arm. So variant 1, that pole arm, that first one, takes less ingots. So I'm gonna use that one. Put this here. Still don't know what that crystal is. Grab this. Move this out of the way. That iron is probably... Oh, it attached. Oh, no, it didn't. Because you can only combine things on the table. Okay, so now we have to do this. Does it need a handle? No, it doesn't. It's like a spear. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get that bronze short blade. Put it at the top. Hello? There you go. Now we can give that to the person. Oh. Okay then. Now they've got their spear that they wanted all Christmas and didn't get it. Holy, $115. Let's go. Let's just buy a tin ingot. How much is that? Okay, never mind. I'm gonna get my money back. Let's go here. Let's get a one-hand grip. One polearm grip. Let's place that order. Let's move this in here. Make me a dagger. No problemo. I can do that right now. Let's put this stuff on the shelf. Let's grab this. Let's hammer it 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Put it up on here. Grab the one-hand grip. Also grab a one-hand guard. There you go. Oh shoot! I didn't mean to grab that. I meant to grab this. So now there's your dagger. Does the dagger... Oh, the dagger doesn't have the guard. Oops. Okay, well, time to hit this. Bang. Oh, it didn't work. Do I have to put it in the middle of the anvil and then hit it from here? Hello? I'll be right back when I get this to work. There we go. Okay, bronze short blade. And I'll bring that over here. And the one-hand grip. It also changed a bit. What? There you go. Are you serious? Didn't want to do... Okay. There you go. Instant. That was the fastest delivery ever. I was lucky as well. Still don't know what this crystal is. Can you hear that? That's eerie. It was in this bath. What happens when I roast it? Oh shoot. I feel tired. Well, I'll leave this roasting. Still unknown. Is this just like a light? Does it help me see myself in the mirror? No, it does not. Okay. Guess it's some nightlight that I'll put right there. Then sleep. Day 2. I'll save the game. Continue. Grab this radiation crystal, because that's what it sounds like. There you go. Throw that in there. Shop is open. Correct. I need to get my stuff back for that dagger. Get the one-hand grip. Let's go here. Let's get the tin ingot. Copper ingot. How much does mithril cost? Oh my god. Okay. What's down? Adamantite, titanium. Oh my gosh. Okay. I don't know how you get so much money. But a one-hand sword. So that requires this. Place order. It also requires this. So I'll put this here. One-hand sword, not a great sword. Crystal again, being heard, whatever. Here, you can have this crystal. I'll take this, put that on there. Take this, put that on there. Oh, shoot, missed. Put that there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Grab this regular blade, loop that onto there, and give it to him. $92. Okay, well, we'll wait for another person. Oh, that guy's a shield. There's another person, but okay, a one-hand hammer. Let's go. Let's get our money. Oh. Oh no, I did not mean to buy that. There we go. Let's get this because that's what we need for a one-hand hammer. Where'd my grip go? Hello? See to crouch, right? Yeah. I still cannot see it. I have to buy another one. Sucks. Whatever. I have $70 anyways. So. Oh, that fell off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit that until it changes to what it needs to change to. There we go. Go back here. Get this thing again. Place order. Get that. Get this there. Is that good? That was quick. Okay. Thank you. I have to buy... I'm just gonna buy a bunch of... How much do these cost? $5. Might start buying fancy grips. Let's buy fancy one-hand grip. Place order. There they are. Great sword. That is a two-hand grip, so I need to buy a fancy two-hand grip. Boom. There we go. And then I need 3 ingots. 1, 2, oh shoot. And 3, how much money do I have? Just going to quickly check. I got $83 and a crystal. Waiting for this to change to what it needs to change to. There you go. Stacking legend. Five, 6. Great sword, so that's what I need. I need a hilt or a guard, 2-hand guard. Hello? Do I even need a guard for a great sword? Yes, I do. There we go. This will do. How much did that give me? Oh, that gave me a lot. Bronze greatsword, $41. Let's get our money back worth of that. Fancy 2-hand grip, 2-hand guards, and then 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that was profitable. Okay, this guy needs a pole arm, so we'll go for cheaper yet again. So we'll get this here. We got this ready. Hit that. Move our stuff into our shelves. Oh, I missed whatever. Okay, I'll put this in there. Put this right there. Put the 2-hand guard up in the shelf. And then I'll hit this 4 times. There we go. Got the bronze short blade. And then we just put that like that. Give him the pole arm. Okay. Well, I'm going to leave this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, comment down below telling me so. And I'll see you all next time. Stay nerdy.